What is going on, folks? In today's video, we are going to be talking about KCEX boasting among the lowest trading fees in the cryptocurrency space on this new altcoin futures trading platform. They've actually got some fantastic incentives as to why you would want to sign up very quickly and start using the platform to start this futures trading. We're going to be going through all of that in today's video. Now, if you do want to get signed up, guys, there will be a link to do that at the very top of the description of this video. And please do remember, guys, always do your own research before investing or trading with any platforms or any other projects, because these videos are not financial advice and I'm not a financial advisor. Let's get into it. Boasting licenses from the USA and Canada, guys, and with some really great deep liquidity and, most importantly of all, a really deep user base as well, guys. This is KCEX, so we're going to be taking you through, guys. Again, if you want to get signed up, guys, make sure you go ahead and do it. Link at the very top of the description of this video. But we're going to be taking you through how the actual platform looks. You can get access and you can trade futures on just about every single major altcoin, guys, which is absolutely fantastic. So if we just scroll down and have a bit of a look and see what's going on, guys, again, you've got your new user awards. There's a surprise rate here, guys, of 0%, which is fantastic because a lot of these more mainstream exchanges do actually give you a pretty nasty rate, and often you can't actually see it, guys. You can also join the Telegram. I highly recommend you do that, guys. Ability to do that there. And what's really cool is this here, guys. Protect yourself from fraud with the KCEX Verify. Now, we're going to be taking a look at the reward center for the new user rewards. So it's complete simple tasks, claim your exclusive rewards with ease. So really fantastic, guys, and definitely a reason why I personally signed up and done this myself. So as you can see here, these are the new user rewards, guys, and you can also share it with your own friends, with your own referral, to get your own bonuses and benefits once you sign up, guys. So let's have a look here. Complete account verification. So that's going to be your basic KYC verification, and also bind your phone number and email to the account, guys. So when you go ahead and do that, that's 2 USDT, guys. 2 US bucks just for doing a KYC. Name another platform that is going to give you 2 USDT for doing a KYC. I think that's absolutely brilliant, and something definitely that a lot of platforms should also take advantage of and do it as well, guys. All right. The next one is advanced learning futures trading. Complete the following guide tutorials to further understand and master futures knowledge. Another 2 USDT. So you're essentially being given an opportunity to not just jump in and do futures like a lot of other platforms tell you to do. They just say, oh yeah, like Binance, for example, oh yeah, just come on, trade futures. And these guys are actually at the forefront after you sign up, giving you the opportunity to do this advanced learning and earn another 2 USDT for it. All right, then we've got the third reward, which is 5 USDT for a simple spot deposit. Complete a single spot deposit of the specified crypto equivalent to more than 100 bucks, guys. So you deposit your first 100 USDT, 100 bucks worth of crypto. You're also getting 5 bucks, guys. All right, so we're already up at 9 USDT. All right, again, another $1 here from spot trading. Complete a single spot trading volume of more than 200 bucks. So 200 USDT in spot volume, you get another dollar. That's putting us at $10, guys, just for signing up and getting involved. Futures trading, you get $2. Complete a single futures trading volume of more than 2,000 USDT, you get another $2, guys. Experience futures, take profit and stop loss, guys. If you trigger a take profit or a stop loss order, it's another 2. And the last one, which is pretty generous in my opinion, another $5 for binding your X account and sharing the link, guys. So successfully link your X account and share the KCEX invitation link on X, and you can get another 5 bucks. So how much is that? Let's just tally it up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 USDT, guys. 19 USDT to basically just get on, do KYC, do a few trades, activate a stop loss, take profit, a few other bits and bobs, learn a bit about futures trading. That's pretty damn good if you ask me. And as mentioned, folks, guys, you can trade altcoin futures with the lowest fees, guys. So it doesn't get any lower than 0%, right? If so, they'd have to start paying you money to actually trade, which they're pretty much doing anyway in the referral system. So it's not too bad, really, guys. So for spot, maker, taker, 0. And for futures, we got 0 on the maker and 0.01 for taker, guys. So virtually absolutely nothing. And your basic deposit and withdrawal fees, guys, with your USDT, your BTC, your ETH, your main ones here, guys, all fee for withdrawals, free for deposits, guys, and it takes you through your minimum deposit amounts, your minimum withdrawal amounts, and of course the networks that are also accepted, guys. And one thing I would say is, yeah, stuff like Ethereum, right, USDT, many different chains now that you can use. So just make sure that the two chains up when you're withdrawing and depositing into any wallets, not just KCEX. One of the most important things for any exchange, any crypto app, or any service, period, that you're using, customer support is bilingual, okay, multilingual, I should say. So all the main languages, and you can get in touch with them. Now, folks, one of the most important things as well for an app or a crypto exchange is the customer service, and they do have high quality, multilingual, 24/7 service, which is absolutely fantastic right here, guys. So that's really what you want to know. Get into any problems, troubles, you want to know that you can speak to someone easily and efficiently that actually speaks your language around the world, guys. So really, really important factor there as well, guys. And if we just keep scrolling down, guys, we can have a look here. Of course, they do have their app, guys, for Android and iOS. And if you've got your phone there, guys, your Android or iOS, you can just simply scan that barcode and you can trade anywhere on the go, guys. All of the other official links, guys, down the bottom for the X, Telegram, Facebook, Medium, Discord, and LinkedIn are all down the bottom, guys. So yeah, guys, let me know if you like this kind of video. Comment in the description here if you're a fan of KCEX. Remember, guys, always do your own research before investing, because these videos are not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. And do remember, guys, if you want to get involved in KCEX, then the link is at the very top of the description of this video, and you can virtually go ahead and earn a pretty easy 19 USDT to go ahead and get involved, start using the platform, guys. So yeah, no, I'm pretty impressed, and this is definitely going to be one of my go-to options. I do have many exchanges that I do use, but you know, not many of them that I have used before offer these kinds of initial sign-up benefits. So yeah, I'm enjoying the look of this, guys. So yeah, hope you enjoyed, guys, and subscribe if you enjoy it. Make sure you like, and we'll catch you in the next one. Cheers, guys.